So let's sit upright and feel comfortable in our chairs, shoulders relaxed. And before we do anything else, can I just see if we have new people? I believe there's certainly one new person in this group today with us. Hands up, please, if you're new here for the first time. Yes, Sue, yes, here you are. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So people are still coming in. Sit upright, relax your jaw, relax the back of the neck. Let's roll our shoulders back a few times. I'm still changing some things here on my computer. Don't do what I'm doing with my hands, you just do that. Other direction. Up, relax the jaw, down, sense of openness here in the chest, and we're going to hum a few notes before we stretch our range up and down today, yeah? Let's sing that middle C together. Make your lips buzz, so we're singing towards the front of your mouth. Relaxing your face, completely your forehead. Take a breath, sing another one. Waking up our faces, waking up our mouth, big open Brrr, if you can. Brrr. When you do that, go up and down in your range. What moves is just the sound in your body, your vocal cords, all that mechanism inside you, but not like this, yeah? Everything else is still, you're solid in your posture. Let's go brrr, up and down. If you can't go brrr, do what you can. You can maybe go brrr, brrr, your lips, yeah? Whatever helps you, but brrr is good. Tongue tip behind the upper teeth. And again, as high as is comfortable, as low as is comfortable. One more time. You see a couple of you doing this. Yeah, that helps sometimes if you can't go. Yeah? So we will need quite a lot of our range today. The song absolutely stretches us. If you're a baritone or an alto, that'll be the absolute highest and lowest of your notes. For tenors, it might be a struggle, so there will be a little compromise in the middle of the tune. Nevertheless, let's just go up and down a bit in our warm-up, short warm-up. We'll go take a breath when you need to just go up. To that note. This will be our starting note for the tune. And without further ado, let's jump into the tune. Now, I actually don't want to show you the tune. How many of you have listened to the file or know the tango from the past? Know the tune? Should be pretty easy, isn't it? It kind of like sings itself. It's a very natural melody. So I suggest what we do now is we la 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 through the tune, ideally without looking at your music, okay? I'll sing a phrase, you sing it back, okay? So here comes the first phrase, quite low in our range. Listen. La 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 la. like a ladder. La 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 la, step by step. Yeah, one more time. La 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 la. La 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 la. This phrase. La 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 la. Let's bring everything together. If you're not certain, just follow me. La la la. The right tune, the wrong tune, doesn't matter. Just let's get into the mode. La 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 la. Going up. La 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 la. 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 Repeat. La 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 la. La 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 la. Ending. La 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 la. So let's sing that second ending. La 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 la. Okay? Easy, isn't it? Right? One more time. And go. La 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 la. 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 Going down this time. La 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 la. You know it already, don't you? Easy? What do you think? Easy? Good? Yeah? Now, I'm going to show you what happens in the music because some of us will really have to jump down an octave. From here, the tune goes all the way up to quite high notes. You know, for sopranos, perfect, beautiful. For tenors, fantastic. For basses, high. For altos, low altos, quite high. So we've done this, yeah? See that beginning, we're in that key in C minor. We've gone to that double line in the middle. Sorry, no. We've gone to that double line here on the third line. And the B section goes like this. Ta da 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 da. Ta-da-da-da-da-da-da-da, which can be bearable, but then ta-da-da-da-da-da-da-da, ta-da-da-da-da-da-da, and then it goes all the way to the beginning. Ta-da-da-da, yeah? So that higher section can be sung an octave lower, and I will first now sing it an octave lower for lower voices. So we're going from the double line here. Yeah, after the second ending, I can't indicate it to you. Third line in the middle, ta da da da. So I'm reading an octave lower. Listen, ta da 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 da, ta da 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 da. Let's do it together again. Ta da and ta da 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 da, ta da 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 da. Next bit. Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. So we're going from the second bit, from A natural. Ta da 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 da. Yeah, let's go. Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. Ta da da. And it'll be easy to just go down a fifth. Very easy for lower voices. So we're going to sing the second half, the B section, ta da da da, an octave lower, yeah, for lower voices. 2, 3, and go. Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. To the end. Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. And you can guess the end. Ta da 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 da. All right. right, now let's sing this B section an octave higher, where it should be for sopranos and tenors. Very easy job. So you're looking at the top line that you are seeing now on your screen. Oh, let's go a bit higher, like this. Ta da da da. Those with low voices sing an octave lower. Let's go. And 1. Ta da 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 da. 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 Ta 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 da 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 da. All right. How is that? Let me see your faces. Are you enjoying the tune? I don't know if it sounds Russian to me, but you know, I grew up with tangos, and we had Utesov. I know a lot of you know this wonderful Russian Soviet singer Utesov, and he sang tangos. I never actually thought that it came all the way from Argentina. It was our culture. So this tangos from the early Soviet times, from kind of the change of like pre-Soviet, like 1915, 1920, lots of tangos there. And, you know, some of them are translated, brought from the West, and some of them are Russian, composed in Russia. This one was very interesting. The composer lived in Russia until 1964, I think he died. And he tried to do what he did best, composing all these Western bourgeois music, and of course he was heavily criticized, and in the end of his life I think he was forced to just arrange music rather than compose. He was stopped from doing what he did, and it's quite a tragic story, and the poet is not known for much, but the composer stayed as an arranger and a kind of a music kind of player and all that, rather than a composer that much. So quite a sad story. Okay. Let's now, I suggest, sing all the way through the song, enjoy the music. Let me ask you, do you think you know it by heart now, or do you want to see the music? Who wants to see the music in front of you? You know what voting does? Yeah, minority. Print it up next time. You're not getting your music. Follow me, okay? Follow me, la 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 with me. I'm going to go to the higher melody, to the da 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 da, but stay on the lower notes if you want, okay? Ta. Let's go. Ta da 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 da. 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 Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da 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 da. Okay, now let's look at what it means. Now, a lot of you, if you've been singing the Russian art song, the Russian romances, Russian romance with me or elsewhere, you know that the Russian romance sometimes is called, as a branch of these romances, the cruel romance. This is a special genre in Russian music. Often talks about the broken heart, nostalgia, the broken heart, the past, this love that kept someone going through life but never actually resolved. This is very close. And they do say that the tango and Russian art songs are quite close in their character and their emotional tone. So let's see. Now, because the rhythm is ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta all the way through the song, I suggest we just look at this, not at our music. I'm going to read a line, then we read it together, then we read the second line, and all the way to the end of 4 lines, and then we will sing it, okay? Listen and then repeat. Lots of consonants in this one, yeah? I'll go slowly in the rhythm of the song. Вдыхая розы аромат. Let's go together now. One. Вдыхая розы аромат. So lots of r's here, right? Next bit. Тенистый вспоминаю сад. Let's go together. And one. Тенистый вспоминаю сад. Now, вспоминаю. First of all, you have всп, yeah? When you sing the f, you can even ignore it. Тенистый спа, yeah? A real Russian probably would just swallow that f. Not too many consonants, just to avoid that consonanty crash. Now, вспоминаю, because the o is not emphasized, I could have spelled it as an a, вспа, yeah? So it's something between the a and the a, the o, yeah? Тенистый вспоминаю сад. Next line, let's go. И слово нежное люблю. Let's go together now. One. И слово нежное люблю. Next line, go now. Что вы сказали мне тогда? And say it together now and one. Что вы сказали мне тогда? Okay? So, вдыхая, inhaling. Розы is a rose. Аромат is aroma, scent. Inhaling the scent of the rose. Тенистый comes from тень, which is a shadow. Вспоминаю is to remember. Sad is a garden. I remember an old garden. I remember a garden with shadows, a shady garden. So translation is not literal. I know some of you are learning Russian in the group, so I'm doing a quick word to word. И and слово, a word, нежное, tender. Люблю, meaning I love. Yeah, люблю. Что, which, вы, you, сказали, told, мне, me, тогда, then. So the tender word, I love, which you said to me back then, some time ago, yeah? Not a few months, but some time ago. I hope this is okay for you. Let's go slowly and sing that verse, and go. Вдыхая розы аромат, тенистый вспоминаю сад, и слово нежное люблю. Что вы сказали мне тогда? How is that? Good? Right, let's go to the next bit. It's a repeated melody, same rhythm. Зажгли. So the first is Z. And when you see Z and H next, it's zh, yeah? Зажгли, зажгли. I'm going to read it in the rhythm of the song and go. Зажгли вы вдруг. Oh, sorry, this should be a U there. Вдруг. Sorry, my mistake. Вдруг. Yeah? I'll say it again. Зажгли вы вдруг во мне любовь. Let's go together and one. Зажгли вы вдруг во мне любовь. Next line. Ушли и не вернулись вновь. Together. Ушли и не вернулись вновь. I'm hearing someone. Let me just make sure that everyone is muted. Yeah, okay. Back to where we were. Ушли и не вернулись вновь. And third line. Но слово нежное люблю. Let's go together. Third line in this verse. Но слово нежное люблю. Я не забуду никогда. And again. я не забуду никогда. Alright, I hope you can cope with it more or less. Зажгли is to sparkle, to start a fire, yeah? Вы is you, вдруг, suddenly, во мне, in me, любовь is love. Now the little apostrophes indicate soft consonants, so instead of l or n, we have n and l. All these, so bear in mind that we have soft and hard consonants in Russian. So that's why we have apostrophes, these little things. Ушли is you went, и, and, не вернулись, not come back, вновь, again. So you went and never came back. Но is but, слово is the word, нежное is tender. Люблю, you know it from the first 4 lines, love, but the tender word love, я, I. Не забуду, won't forget, никогда, never. So the tender word love, I will never forget. Let's see if we can sing this. All the way down. Ready, let's go. Зажгли вы вдруг во мне любовь. Ушли и не вернулись вновь, но слово нежное люблю я не забуду никогда. Right, let's go from the beginning and sing these 4 lines all the way through. I hope we can cope. We can do the whole song today, okay? Вдыхая розы аромат, тенистый вспоминаю сад, но слово нежное люблю. Что вы сказали мне тогда? Зажгли вы вдруг во мне любовь, ушли и не вернулись вновь. Слово нежное люблю я не забуду никогда. And then we go into that very emotional «Моя любовь не струйка дыма». Right? Ready? Let's go into that. Now we have ta 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 ta, slightly different rhythm, and I think I should show you this, so it's a bit easier with the change in the rhythm. And it goes like, can you see it? It's «Моя любовь». Please find it. It's the top line of music you should be seeing here. Double line. «Моя» here, yeah? See this? That's what we are reading. Yeah? Sorry. I hope you can find it. «Моя», yeah? So I'm going to read it, and each line twice, and then we sing it. Listen now. «Моя любовь не струйка дыма». Let's go one more time. «Моя любовь не струйка дыма». Okay? Next bit. Что тает вдруг в сиянье дня. Lots of consonants here. One more time. Что тает вдруг в сиянье дня. Let's sing this too. Моя любовь. And let's go slowly. And 1. Моя любовь не струйка дыма. Что тает вдруг в сиянье дня. And one more time, higher. Моя for me. Моя любовь не струйка дыма. Что тает вдруг в сиянье дня. Next bit, just read it. Но вы прошли с улыбкой мимо. Let's go again. Но вы прошли с улыбкой мимо. Next bit. И не заметили меня. One more time. И не заметили. И не заметили меня. Okay? Let's bring this together. Моя любовь. I'll sing this B section twice, one time lower, another time higher. Choose your octave, mama. And now. Моя любовь не стройка дыма, что тает вдруг в сиянье дня. Но вы прошли с улыбкой мимо и не заметили меня. Mama, same thing again, I'm singing higher, you can go here. Моя, same bit, and now. Моя любовь не струйка дыма, что тает вдруг сияние дня. Но вы прошли с улыбкой мимо и не заметили меня. And we have one last verse. So before we do it, let me translate this bit we just sang word to word. Моя, my, любовь, love, не стройка, not a stream, дыма of fog. So it's not a little kind of, wavy little thing of fog. Что тает, which melts, which fades away, вдруг, suddenly, в сияние, in the shine, дня, of the day. Yeah, so it's not a little, it's not fog that disappears in daylight, in the day. А вы, but you, actually in the text it says no, or is it No, yeah, in the text it says but you went right past me. In here it says а вы, only you. It's kind of the same. You can do no or you can do don't be confused by that. Either or is good. А вы, but you, прошли, went past me, yeah? Went by. С улыбкой, with a smile, мимо, right past me, yeah? И, and, не заметили, not noticed, меня, me. So, that person just went past without noticing, right? Having said, I love you, in the past, right here, tenderly, now, they just went past, yeah? Broken heart. I won't torture you with more text just for now, but we're very close to doing the whole song, and in Russian it sounds beautiful. Let's go from the beginning. Let me see your faces. How is everyone coping? Yeah? Yeah? You can always go to the la-la-las instead to choose your own pace. Good. Let's sing that. So from the beginning. Вдыхая, ready? Let's go! Вдыхая розы аромат, тенистый вспоминаю сад, и слово нежное люблю, что вы сказали мне тогда. Зажгли вы вдруг во мне любовь, ушли и не вернулись вновь, но слово нежное люблю я не забуду никогда. Моя любовь не струйка дыма, что тает вдруг в сиянии дня, но вы прошли с улыбкой мимо и не заметили меня. La 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 la. Okay, so we only have this last 4 lines, and I think we're strong enough to do it here. Yeah? There's just a lovely kind of like arch between the beginning and the end. We go back to the first melody and we sing, this heartbreaking thing. Вам возвращаю, I'm returning your portrait back to you. Yeah? Я о любви вас не молю. I'm not begging, I'm not praying for your love anymore. В моем письме, in my letter, упрека нет, there is no blame. Я вас по-прежнему люблю. I still love you, like before. Nice, eh? I love that letting go and I still love you and whatever, I forgive you. So, it's actually here in the music. Вам возвращая. Yeah, I think we know the tune actually. Let's look at that. So we will do the same. I read it, then we read it together. Listen now. Вам возвращая ваш портрет. Let's go together. Вам возвращая ваш портрет. Lots of consonants. Возвращая. Возвращая. Let's go again. Вам возвращая ваш портрет. Next bit. Я о любви вас не молю. And again. Я о любви вас не молю. Last bit. В моем письме упрека нет. Again. В моем письме упрека нет. Last bit. Я вас по-прежнему люблю. One more time. Я вас по-прежнему люблю. You know, in Russian it's just so beautiful. Those of you who know Russian, you'll agree with me. It's just like wraps up beautifully. Last verse together, all these 4 lines. Good, ready? And go! Вам возвращая ваш портрет, я о любви вас не молю. В моем письме упрека нет. Я вас по-прежнему люблю. One more time. Вам возвращая ваш портрет, я о любви вас не молю. В моем письме упрека нет. Я вас по-прежнему люблю. So usually what happens in this song, we go back to «Мою любовь, не стройка дыма», and we see what you say in bold characters one more time. So that makes the shape of the song. How is that for you? Having fun? Right? Okay, let's do the whole thing, eh? Ready? Yeah. Now, I know it's quite high or too low for some of us. Is anyone not coping at all? Is it really a really hard key for anyone? Not too many complainers, so we will stay in that key. We won't go anywhere, but you can just sing that bit, the B section, higher or lower. Okay, let's do the whole thing. You know, I used to work in my younger years. I used to work in restaurants in my student years, playing for celebrations, you know, weddings and parties and anniversaries and all sorts of things. And this song was in our repertoire. We are talking 1996, 97, 99, 2000, whole of the 90s. And this song is really, really in people's consciousness now, and people still sing it. And it's still quite a popular song. I had no idea it was written as early as 1934 or something. You know, it's wonderful to know that these old songs are still in people's, you know, are sung in people's homes and on television and everywhere. Ready? Вдыхая розы аромат, тенистый вспоминаю сад, и слово нежное люблю, что вы сказали мне тогда. Зажгли вы вдруг во мне любовь, ушли и не вернулись вновь, но слово нежное люблю я не забуду никогда. Моя любовь не струйка дыма, что стоит вдруг в сиянии дня. Но вы прошли с улыбкой мимо и не заметили меня. Вам возвращая ваш портрет, я о любви вас не молю. В моем письме упрека нет, я вас по-прежнему люблю. Моя любовь не струйка дыма, что тает вдруг в сиянии дня. А вы прошли с улыбкой мимо и не заметили меня. Я возвращаю ваш портрет, я о любви вас не молю. В моем письме упрека нет, Я вас по-прежнему люблю. Okay, what do you think? Yeah, with all these weird folk song melodies, really in interesting modes and keys, we come to this, and it's also Russian music. There's so much to choose from. It's fantastic. So maybe next time I'll bring you something completely contrasting. Back to folk song. What do you think? Yeah, back to folk. So now, are you ready for a big thing? We have 7 minutes. We will stretch this one, okay? We'll sing it all the way through. Then I want to see your faces going la la la, so we'll la 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 with each other and go back to text and sing it again, okay? So really make sure you're ready for it. I'm not on gin and tonic today, I'm on tea. And we go all the way through the song, 2.5, 3 times. Let's see what happens, okay? Upright, relaxed, having fun. Oh, or a broken heart. If you have a broken heart, like, give it all, kind of put it all into the song and let it all out, okay? Right, bourgeois singing. Oh, how can it be bourgeois? It's universal. Вдыхая розы аромат, тенистый вспоминаю сад, и слово нежное люблю, что вы сказали мне тогда. Зажгли вы вдруг во мне любовь, ушли и не вернулись вновь, но слово нежное люблю я не забуду никогда. Моя любовь не струйка дыма, что тает вдруг в сиянии дня, а вы прошли с улыбкой мимо и не заметили меня. Вам возвращая ваш портрет, я о любви вас не молю, в моем письме упрека нет, я вас по-прежнему люблю. Моя любовь не струйка дыма, что тает вдруг в сиянии дня, а вы прошли с улыбкой мимо и не заметили меня. Вам возвращая ваш портрет, я о любви вас не молю, в моем письме упрека нет, я вас по-прежнему люблю. Вдыхая розы аромат, тенистый вспоминаю сад, и слово нежное люблю, сказали мне тогда, зажгли вы вдруг во мне любовь, ушли и не вернулись вновь, но слово нежное люблю я не забуду никогда. Мою любовь не струйка дыма, что таит вдруг в сиянии дня. Но вы прошли с улыбкой мимо и не заметили меня. Я возвращаю ваш портрет и о любви вас не молю. В моем письме упрека нет, я вас по-прежнему люблю. Моя любовь не струйка дыма, что тает вдруг в сиянии дня. А вы прошли с улыбкой мимо и не заметили меня. Вам возвращая ваш портрет, я о любви вас не молю. В моем письме упрека нет, я вас по-прежнему люблю. What do you think? Fun, right? So there, I hope you enjoyed this session. We're going to say goodbye to each other, singing La 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 one more time without looking at our text, looking at each other. Hopefully that will cheer us up. I really miss your faces when we don't have sessions, so it's lovely to see you at least on the screen, okay? And if you've written something important in the chat, I will read it later. Okay. One more thing. You know that the London Russian choir, a member of the Russian choir, the London Russian choir, is putting together this "Ой, то не вечер, да не вечер" Cossack song arrangement together, and he's making an audio file. And he's not here today, Phil, but he invited people to join it. There is a file that you can see online, like with pronunciation guide and with each soprano, alto, tenor, and bass. It's a 4-part arrangement. Each line sung separately, so played separately. So you can join that if you want. If you're interested, I know quite a few of you already joined. We have people from all over the world. We're delighted. So if you're interested in joining that, let me know. I'll put you in touch with Phil. We only have 4 days. We can stretch it a bit for the kind of last files to be sent to him. It's only audio, not video. All right, give it a go. It's in Russian, but it shouldn't be too difficult. It's a slow song, good Cossack song. Okay, ready? Give yourself a little shake. 1 minute to sing. Da 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 da. 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 Okay, see you all hopefully next week, either on Monday for the Yiddish song or on Thursday for a Russian folk song. Keep well, keep singing, keep strong. See you again, and thanks for joining. Bye.